One of the inherent things that the students learn conducting the CSB student store is that they have to complete an entire business cycle within 8 weeks, which means when they begin the semester, there is no product, there is no idea. We start from scratch. This course is Entrepreneurship 155E, Managing the New Venture, and in this course the students learn by doing through experiential learning of running a small business throughout the semester.
Coming here to Fresno State, I didn't know I wanted to be a business major, but once I got here, I really enjoyed and it really caught my eye to take that entrepreneurship major because it's a way that you can create your visions and make them come to life.
In this course, the students research and create new products, obtain trademark licensing approvals for original artwork, source products from licensed vendors of Fresno State, conduct sales and marketing, and organize and operate 2 pop-up stores, one in the middle of the semester and another one at the end of the semester.
I decided to take on the marketing team lead role because I wanted to see if I was capable to actually lead a team and if I was actually capable to take on those responsibilities. So once we have the product in our hands, for our content day, we have to shoot content, get pictures of every product that we have, and then we also have to create videos for every product that we have. We want to make people feel like they need the product, they want to wear it because it's cute, it's nice, it's what they want to have, in their hands. So marketing plays a really crucial role in the CSB student store. Without customers, we wouldn't have sales, and we want sales because we want to have a successful pop-up.
Success breeds more success, which is why achieving those sales numbers and profitability and being able to sell a large amount of inventory becomes important, because then it boosts the students' confidence and they are able to work toward the next idea, next project more enthusiastically.
I feel excited to go to class and then gain this experience as well, and I feel prepared to go out into a business or start a business of my own because I've learned from those mistakes. So being supported by a class and by a professor is very meaningful to me.
I believe that a lot of positive impact can be created through entrepreneurship, because entrepreneurship enables economic growth in the marketplace. The more entrepreneurs that we have, chances are that we would have more prosperous communities and therefore better social outcomes.